Central Florida firefighters are no stranger to disaster response, of course, but their latest mission to Texas, well, it pushed them into unfamiliar terrain.
West 2's Spencer Tracy talked with the crews who spent days searching through the flood zones and helping families find closure.
After nearly 15 days in Texas, Central Florida firefighters from Florida Task Force 4 are back home. From raging floodwaters to washed away homes and entire neighborhoods cut off.
The area had about 10 people missing from that area that were unaccounted for after the flood. We were able to cover about a mile a day of that creek.
The teams carried out swift water rescues, canine searches, and climbed through damaged structures. These types of boats are built for Florida hurricanes, but in Texas, crews had to face something totally different.
Things that we learned from this were how to do searches in a different aspect, a different topography. There were sheer cliff walls, there were rocky terrain, and things that we're not used to here in Florida.
Task Force 4 is made up of 35 members from Orange, Seminole, and Orlando fire departments. They searched Cow Creek and Big Sandy Creek, 1 mile at a time.
We were able to find 2 people, so 2 families could have closure knowing their loved ones were found.
And for many, this mission was personal.
But seeing the fire truck just demolished, and it just made it more personal, and it kind of hit home with me.
As these firefighters settle in back at home,
it was a blessing to be able to give time and energy to a state that usually comes to Florida to help us.
Spencer Tracy, West 2 News.
The Swift Water Rescue Team also returned this morning from Texas, and they're getting some much needed rest.